Hi, I'm Sue and welcome to Bits and Pieces Block 10. This is a simple block this week, but simple is good because it just goes well with some of the other blocks that have a little bit more on them. So this week we just got 3 pieces per block. Actually it's this way around, A, B, and C. And you will sew these 2 together, press the seams open, and then sew that on top. And so then you can decide what stitching you want to do or what position you want to put the 3 colors on. So we have Sagebrush, Just Peachy, and Tangerine Dream. So pretty colors together. Once you've put them together, I got out my square templates and using number 3 EZ02, I did different sizes. So this is a 3-inch, this is a 2.5. Actually, I think, sorry, it's a 2.25. So let's see, 2.25, and then 2-inch, and then this is another 2.25. So just simple little running stitches, and nice to have a couple of sort of neutral blocks in among all the other brighter blocks. So hope you have fun with this, and don't forget to go to Bits and Pieces on the website to get your free pattern, and also to join the Facebook group to see what all the other people are doing. So it's good because there's people from all over the world, all different states, showing what they are doing in this little program. And I hope you're enjoying working with the wall. I'm loving what's happening on my design wall. So have fun. If you like and subscribe to YouTube, if you are enjoying this program. I'll see you back next week.